manufacturing matters. It accounts for about 10% of the UK economy, but it's really much more important than that in terms of its contribution to investment, to exports, and towards paying good wages in the economy. It's also very interlinked with the European Union through imports and exports and supply chains that cross borders many times. So Brexit is likely to have a big impact on manufacturing and in turn on the UK economy. In this latest report for the UK and a Changing Europe, we've looked at different ways in which Brexit could impact on manufacturing. Things like tariffs, non-tariff barriers, things like customs delays, rules of origin, regulatory divergence, skills, uncertainty, and other areas. What we find is that overall there's likely to be a negative impact. That's greater in the case of a no trade deal scenario. But even if there is a trade deal, there are issues for manufacturers in terms of regulatory alignment and also having a smooth customs process. Going forwards, we think the government could help manufacturing through a more active industrial policy, devolved to a regional level, dealing with issues like skills, investment, access to finance, and taking up new technologies. So we really would like to see a more activist industrial policy at a regional level.